the chef, Mr. West, and welcome back to the cooking channel.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so welcome to another video. Right now what we're making here is some brown stew oxtail. As you can see, it's already bubbling there. Almost done. Or I should say cooked. I'm going to add the all that natural seasoning now. There we have the natural seasoning: red onion, yellow onion, we have green bell pepper, minced garlic seasoned to the bone, onion, we have tomato, all that stuff. So there it is. Add that in there. We have a little gravy from the coconut milk for the rice and peas. Was too much, so we're going to pour that in there too. And of course wash out this with the get all of that seasoning out of there. So stay tuned and we'll let you see the progress as we go along. Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. Right here we're making some jerk chicken. Just for two. My wife though, she doesn't eat the oxtail. So most of this chicken is gonna be for her, and then the wing also is just gonna be for me. So getting ready now to put it in the oven. As you can see there, we have the jerk seasoning there already and there. Just gonna let it stay there and cook down. Stay tuned. Yes. So right now we're putting in some brown in there. A little more now when that cooked down. I think that's enough brown in it. Put too much, then it's gonna be